How's it going, everybody? This is Tom with Outside Our Lane, and we is going striper fishing.
Yeah, that's a good one. Got him.
They've been on fire up here. We've been trying to get up here we're at Norfork Lake, North Arkansas. We've been trying to get up here for a few weeks now and try to get in on it. And finally had a weekend where we could. So we fixed to get after them, see what we can do. Plan is to get on whatever we can during the daylight hours, whether it be striper, white bass, crappie. Mr. Shoulders, no matter, we ain't picky, you know how we are. And this evening when the sun starts going down to focus all our attention on the stripers. So y'all hang with us. Well, we've made it to our spot. Right now we're deep jigging, using a 1/2 ounce jig head with a shad replica swim bait. Everybody's using a little bit different bait, ain't they?
Yeah, a little bit.
We're just simply jigging straight down from the boat. Eli's playing with the fish finder right now. He's got live scope, so he's looking on it and trying to find something as we're scooting along. We get into them, we'll bring you back.
We'll do what it is.
Eli got a fish.
Crappie.
Good.
He was all down there by himself.
Mr. Shoulders. That are a good one too. That gum, he's thick.
He goes in
Turn him over sideways.
Got some
He's thick.
girthy. There's water in there.
Juan.
Huh?
I said Juan.
Excuse me, Coco.
We're on the way. You can't get 2 or 100 unless you get 1.
All right.
Did you say he was deep?
He was down probably what, 25? He was at 30. But he was by himself and he was just sitting still. And I got my bait to go down there to him. And I brought it right above his head and he whack.
Huh. Out in the stinking middle of nowhere.
Little whitey.
He got another crappie.
I think he's gonna be that big.
That's a good one. Y'all's crappie are just fat. I mean, just lardos. Good. Eli got another one. It's me again, Margaret. We're back on Norfork. We went out earlier today and didn't do too good. It's just actually too pretty of a day, if you believe that. Anyway, we're putting back on the water now just right before dark. You can see the sun going down there. Anyway, we're gonna try them again, see what happens. Y'all stick with us.
Way to go, Coco.
Coco's trying to kill me. Five years ago, me would have just jumped. Present day me is going, you know, I think that boat's moved about a 1/2 inch. I think I want to stay until it stops. That's all the videos I put you in.
Huh?
That's all the videos I put you in.
Yeah. You've made me a celebrity.
Well, we are back crappie fishing now. It hasn't been so hot so far today, but fishing's fishing, especially for me. Eli caught 3 earlier. He cheated somehow. We know he did. Don't know how, but I know he did. What the heck kind of a mess I got going on here? What?
Hi, Parker.
Talking to Parker? Well, it's getting close to dark. We're fixing to start on the stripers and throwing rogues at them. And from what Eli's telling us, this is going to be a little bit different than what I've used a jerk bait before. It's a constant reel with just an interference of the pattern just every once in a while. Not much action on the bait at all. You just kind of reel it through the water. It's gonna be interesting. Hopefully we'll catch some fish for you guys. It's been a slow day. Been trying to put a second video together, but I don't know. Probably gonna put it on the front part of this one. But sun's going down. We fix to catch some fish. All right, we're home for a while. Let's see what happens. So we were cruising down the lake fishing, and we can get some wheels. Bring it. We was fishing, going down the bank, and there was a dump truck up there. And Eli's son Nolan is like a dump truck aficionado. The boy loves dump trucks. So that's like one of them great. What are they called? The big utes, ute, whatever. That's pretty cool. You can rob the tires off something else and put on it, surely. You're a purveyor of MacGyverism. You can fix it. Purveyor of MacGyverism. MacGyverism. I said that at church the other night, or some folks didn't even know what I was talking about. It's just a challenge, Eli. Are your shoes waterproof? Hope his shoes are waterproof. He was standing in the water.
Dump truck? Dump truck.
Dump truck. Dump truck! That's pretty cool. From here on out, every time you go fishing, Eli, you need to get the dump truck and put it in the boat.
Kind of like my T-Rex I found on Lake Dardanelle.
Your fishing mascot. Well, if we find any more dump trucks, we'll come back with y'all, or if we catch a fish, either one.
point back there. They'll be in pairs, in groups. Feel pretty good.
Yeah. Feels a lot bigger than 4-pounders I've been catching, I guarantee you that.
Yeah.
Where's the your bait? This. I've got to do 13 drink one time here.
I ain't gonna rush it.
We'll fire out. It'll take a few minutes. He starts to go.
Is there any stretch out there I gotta worry about?
I don't think so. Mostly clear. But you do have what, 10-pound fish?
I've got 12.
Okay.
I ain't gonna pressure him at all.
You get like a freight train.
Oh yeah.
I like that.
He's straight under us now. Pretty
Not this way.
How deep are we here?
14.
Are you getting it recorded, Corey?
Coco, you casting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, just jump. This is just like a red. That's the same fight as you get with a big red fish.
Except for this one can go out and go down. Good fish usually just have shallow.
You can go on his boat.
If I shine a light on it, is it gonna make him do crazy stuff?
Where's he ain't going under that motor, is he? Is the motor trimmed up?
You're all right. I'm gonna swing around.
You ain't that far back behind him.
You just right up there off the side. Yeah, you try to get angle. How's your wrist holding up?
Adrenaline's got me right now, but I'm gonna be sore. I can tell you that. He's under the
Go
boat.
over the boat again.
Yeah.
How far under the boat?
Halfway.
I see.
I don't know what kind of video this is gonna be, but at least hopefully y'all can hear what we're saying here.
So he's just in the boat now, this deal is.
Yeah. Be about the last run.
Call it here in a second. I'm not gonna assume anything. If he wants it, I'm gonna leave him have it.
Yep.
No dump truck. Good luck.
Kind of a hole there he's wanting to get in, isn't there?
Looks like pretty good on the sonar.
Yeah, it looks good.
He's solid. It's fine. There's no holes in it at all.
I'm moving it off the back.
Huh?
I was moving this pole around the back and letting Coco know.
Yep, that's a good one.
There he is.
That's a good one.
We'll sit right on here. Get up against the boat.
Good. He wants to take it again, I'm gonna let him have it.
Yeah.
And there he goes. He's losing it now.
Yeah, he's about there.
arm is burning.
This video is gonna be more audio than anything.
Just black.
Yeah.
That phone will pick up a whole lot more than you think it will too. I've never had a fish out in the lake fight this long. Caught some pretty big catfish.
We got some shrimp.
That's like a baby shark. As long as he's going down, I ain't pulling up.
Let's put a little pressure on him.
I feel better if I know he's just got bait in his mouth and he got the line in there.
Get that light off of him there real quick. Yeah, he's done it. We're good. Yeah, that's a good one.
Got him.
That's 20 pound. That's 20-pound fish.
Sweet. All right. Here's fun.
Oh, I like it a lot. Sweet.
Lucky up truck.
We'll get better pictures when we get back where we've got good light. The light just kind of is what it is right now. There's not a lot we can do about it. I think it's a striper, wouldn't it? Guy catches one and gets a hook in his knee.
Oh yeah, that's a 20-pounder. Easy.
Awesome. We'll get some pictures when we get where. Sweet. That's a heck of a fight. All the 15s and 18, that 118 I caught before, we're all on a big river rod.
Here, you gotta hold on to that. You gotta appreciate the.
We'll see you guys in a little bit. What you got, Coco?
I don't know what's happening. Thanks, Mike. I got it.
There we go. You'll just have to forgive the lighting. We can't have a lot of bright lights, and the fish tolerate it. So.
How big?
Take a step forward, Coco. Hold him in the light there.
I was like, that's a walleye. You ever hit too? Yeah, I got hit twice in the second.
I can't let Ellie get the light on him in a second.
He got off and got my bait turned sideways on me.
I caught 300 that size in Canada, but that's only my second Arkansas walleye.
Did we catch them that small in Kansas?
No. I caught 300 walleye.
Nothing close that size. Everything else was double that size.
Now we were catching 7-pounders, and Wally Goggler. I like it.
Measuring just for.
It's just a walleye. The most sought after fish in Arkansas.
It'll be easy. Same size. Go ahead and swing him in. I want to get him all hooked up.
He's fatter. I don't know if he's being longer or not.
See?
That's 2 walleye in a row.
Nice.
Sweet.
What? No, I was just saying. Say walleye so fast to recognize that head shake.
I didn't do nothing. It was just like I reeled in a stick.
Yeah, I'm gonna get off here and get me one. Coco or Corey's on again. That's 3 fish in 3 minutes.
Yeah, that's better fish.
He's digging a lot deeper. Don't strain him. Yeah, that's a keeper. Easy with him. Don't force him.
They might as well net him.
That's keeper. That's keeper.
That's keeper. See what we'll do with this. There we go.
All right. That's a walleye. He's in the boat. I'm fishing. Oh. Where's the brush pile at? Okay. Oh crap.
Yeah, he's good.
Did you see him?
Yeah.
Is he as good as the other one?
I don't think he's as big as that one. But he's good.
There he is.
He's probably
He's giving up a lot quicker.
15, 12, 13, 12 pounds. I'm the strapper king tonight. I think that's what you had, Corey.
I thought it was white bass. Even after he flopped, I thought it was a white bass. I don't want to get overzealous because he's still a little bit smaller.
He ain't that much smaller.
He's good. So good.
You're gonna have to get cameras that don't go off in the cold.
I know it.
You got that jerkbait gone. I'm talking about
He's good as the other one, ain't he?
he ain't,
He's fat.
no, he ain't as big as the other one. Look where that jerkbait's at. It is gone. It's in his face. Dang. Yeah, he vacuumed that thing into the net. Wow. Dang.
We're gonna have to leave that in there and get it out when we clean him.
We can get it out of there. There you go. We'll just have to retie.
That wasn't hard hit, guys. I thought I had a white bass. I honestly did.
Fish hit and come to the water and come straight at me. I couldn't do nothing with it.
He's got that sucker to the gills, my friend.
Was that in 15?
Yeah.
He was getting away if he break the line.
I mean, he could have broke the line, yeah.
I'm glad he come in quick.
Your baits or your line's free.
Corey's got fish on. Guys, I know it's dark, but there's not a whole lot we can do with it. You're using the word little there pretty loosely. That's what I'm talking about. Is that a 5 pounder? 4 pounder? All right. Awesome. All right, Coco. Get him. I won't get to fishing again. The GoPro isn't working, guys. The reason we're not getting these hookups. It's too cold for the GoPro to work. I'm gonna have to find another camera system that's gonna acclimate to the weather we're fishing in.
That's another good cracker.
alligator.
It's cold out here now.
You on too, Coco?
Yep.
Oh crap.
Coco's on too.
Let him play, buddy.
I wish you guys could see this. It just. You still got him on?
Oh, yeah.
There's all kinds of
I think it's a hybrid. Yeah, there's a ton of fish. That feels like a hybrid. Whoever just said who's closest and real.
Don't let them. Don't let the streams cross. You get.
It's a good hybrid.
It feels
I think
nice,
that's
don't it?
a striper there. I'm gonna let it go.
Okay, go back to Corey. Yep. Good one.
Yep. Good hybrid.
This is getting silly.
Might as well catch a limit. We're out here. What means that make?
That's 3 hybrids and 2 stripers.
Can I lift the hybrids? Yeah, you can grab them. Man.
That's a 6-pounder there, ain't he? 5, 5.5.
I don't know.
Corey's on again. Feel like a striper?
I think he's a lot more pressure there than those hybrid dogs.
Man, I'm gonna get a good tip out of this one.
Put you on another spike buck next year, Eli.
Huh?
We'll put you on another spike buck.
Yeah, another 11 point.
We'll add a point. We'll put you on a 3-point this year.
We're gonna double your duty from last year. We're gonna give you a whopping 4-point.
Is it? I don't feel like he's just sitting there.
That's probably striper then.
Yeah, he's digging that hard.
You got your reverse on?
Yeah. That fish hit 2-3 times before he hit it all the way.
You got good light on the camera and everything?
No, I'm barely seeing it.
I didn't know if it would pull that
The
video.
video doesn't. The camera,
Huh.
it looks like daylight almost. Let me get out of the net. Give y'all play-by-play what's happening. Corey standing still and his pole is bent over almost half. Big fish. It is getting closer though.
I don't know where the fish is at though. For that knot, one of the other.
He's still got. He ain't the leader yet. Close.
I like back reel.
Handy. Yeah,
He's digging.
good fish.
There's awesome stuff right there.
Definitely makes up for the lackluster day we had today.
Well, you said though when you had days like that the nighttime was on fire and you got it pegged. There's the.
He didn't come with us.
I don't know what missed him not being here. He'd be giggling right now.
What is ibuprofen on the floor?
Probably mine.
You need it?
Yes. You on, Coco? Oh.
He took off another run again. I thought you could have back reel. Pretty hard to catch one with thing fish.
Yeah, you got one? Good gosh. Man.
What's it feel like, Coco?
You got some pretty good head shakes this time. Not the little guy you had a while ago? No, it's a keeper. I don't know if it's a big giant yet. Where do you see this one?
Arm Thor.
Where you at, Bubba?
I feel like I could play more, or portion more, but I don't want to.
Don't.
It's not worth it because if your snap was undone or something. Maybe about the same size, that's it. Huh? Sit underneath them at least. That way you don't lose bait.
That's a keeper. That's a striper, isn't it? Is that a striper?
I don't know. He's not sitting right at him. Looks like a fish to me. A striped fish.
Coco's got his on board. I think we'll get some light on in a minute, get where we can see it. But it looks like about a 3-pound striper. Corey's is probably a yellow bass.
I'll take it. Yellow bass that big.
He's keeper, ain't he?
Oh yeah. He go if he's 18. He'll be 18.
I bet he'll go 18.
Got on there in here.
Really? I feel like I'm prolonging this further than it should be, but
No risk.
As long as he's pulling and pulling
he's still doing that.
hard.
He's still doing the down head shakes and gaining ground on me when he runs.
Yeah, he's keeper. Right. Is he 18? This is 18 inches long, ain't it? Remember, you son of a gun. All right. Yep. Sweet. Yeah, Bubba.
Okay. You put one of those ibuprofen in your pocket?
Hey, Joker, we're getting.
Open this real fast. Good. Like in place.
We're gonna. Can we get limits in that box?
Yeah. There he is. A little bit.
I don't know if we can get all of them in the cooler.
Big fish. Shit. Over here's right behind the motor. Where's he gonna go? Maybe
You need me to pull, or you want to pull him? You just tell me where to net him and I'll go. What's comfortable for you?
A little close quarters here. I see color.
Yep, that's a good strap there. Come on, bubbers. Oh yeah, they're good. Wait.
In the boat.
That's cool stuff.
It is cool stuff. All right, we're gonna get a video of all these fish when we get them where you guys can see them a little bit better. I'm gonna try and piece something together. We're having a halfway decent video. I know it's dark. I know it is, but there just ain't nothing we can do about it. And by nothing we can do about it, I'm talking we weren't planning a nighttime trip when we got here. Eli says, hey, it's gonna be a bluebird day, but the tonight spot's gonna be better. So we weren't prepared for it. I got lights and everything we could have brought and had soft light on the boat that wouldn't have affected the fish, but I just didn't think to bring it. Let's turn it around here.
Rolling in them.
Shine a light on him, Eli.
I'm on the wrong side of it.
Good.
There he is. All right, we'll go get after some more.
Crappie, big little mat and with a almost bed on top of that. Make it there. I'm bringing it. Leave one in. So, all that stuff. Right there.
Back on dry land. What a day. That was fun. It finally turned into a fishing trip and a half. Well, we're back at the boat ramp now, fixing to head back home. When we get there, we'll get the fish laid out, let you guys see them all, because I know it was so dark there that you didn't get to see them good. So give us about a second and a half, and we'll be back at the house.
Y'all stop and get you something to eat.
I sure did.
Taco Bill?
Nope, we went to Casey's. I grabbed a little chicken wrap deal.
Not bad fish either. Pour some ice off one of those.
Very large amount of fish.
That's a good pile of fish. I'll dump those couple of ice on these. Oh, yeah, dump some ice on it.
That's crazy.
What is that? What is that? Dump truck. Just a little bit. Got a dump truck.
I think I found the end of the video. I think I found the end of the video. Big old smile.